Srimad Bhagavatam, 5th canto, chapter 14, The Forest of Enjoyment, text 38. Etasmin samsaradhvani nanakleshopasarga baditha apanna vipanno yatrayastam uha vavetaras tatra visrijya jatam upadaya shochan मुह्यन् बिभ्यद् विवदन् क्रन्दन् संहृष्यन् गायन् नह्यमानः साधुवर्जितो नैवावर्ततेऽद्यापि यत आरब्ध एष नरलोकः सार्थो यम् अध्वनः पारम् उपदिशन्ति. The path of this material world is full of material miseries, and various troubles disturb the conditioned souls. Sometimes he loses, and sometimes he gains. In either case, the path is full of danger. Sometimes the conditioned soul is separated from his father by death or other circumstances. Leaving him aside, he gradually becomes attached to others, such as his children. This way, the conditioned soul is sometimes illusioned and afraid. Sometimes he cries loudly out of fear. Sometimes he is happy, maintaining his family. Sometimes he is overjoyed and sings melodiously. In this way, he becomes entangled and forgets his separation from the Supreme Personality of Godhead since time immemorial. Thus, he traverses the dangerous path of material existence. And on this path, he is not at all happy. Those who are self-realized simply take shelter of the Supreme Personality of Godhead in order to get out of the dangerous material existence. Without accepting the devotional path, one cannot get out of the clutches of material existence. The conclusion is that no one can be happy in material life. One must take to Krishna consciousness. Purport by Srila Prabhupada, Jai Srila Prabhupada. By thoroughly analyzing the materialistic way of life, any sane man can understand that there is not the least happiness in this world. However, due to continuing on the path of danger from time immemorial and not associating with saintly persons, the conditioned souls, under illusion, wants to enjoy this material world. Material energy sometimes gives him a chance at so-called happiness, but the conditioned soul is perpetually being punished by material nature. It is therefore said, Dandyajane rajayena nadithe chubaya. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 20:118. The materialistic life means continuous unhappiness, but sometimes we accept unhappiness. We accept happiness as it appears between the gaps. Sometimes the condemned person is submerged in water and hauled out. Actually, all of this is meant for punishment, but he feels a little comfort when he is taken out of the water. This is the situation with the conditioned soul. All the Shastra therefore advise that one associate with devotees and saintly people. Sadhu Sangha Sarva Shastrakaya Lava Matra Sadhu Sange Sarva Siddhihaya. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 22:54. Even by a little association with devotees, the conditioned soul can get out of this miserable material condition. This Krishna consciousness movement is therefore trying to give everyone a chance to associate with saintly people. Therefore, all the members of this Krishna consciousness society must themselves be perfect sadhus in order to give a chance to fallen conditioned souls. This is the best humanitarian work.